Dr. Jeff DIY here. I want to clean up this nasty, funky gunk on this kid's snow boot, but I don't have one of those fancy steam cleaning machines. I do have some picks, paper towels, patience, and a clothes iron. Let's see if it'll work. Let's have some fun. Woo woo!
Whoa, yeah. Look at that.
To get the big bulk of it out, I started steaming right on the boot. This was to get it kind of soft and extra gooey. Once it got soft, I picked it out. Yuck. Glad this stuff wasn't in my kid's hair.
Now let's start picking it out. Ooh, yeah. Disgusting. Totally disgusting, nasty.
But it's working. Can't argue with success. Pow, pow, pow. Then you just go to town, scraping it out and cleaning off the pick, like you can see here. It'll take you a little while, but it's satisfying, making progress. With the bulk gone, I switched to the heating a paper towel technique. A cotton cloth may work better if you had something more delicate or needed it super duper clean. Is it como los chorros del oro? No. But hey, I'm working on the bottom of a kid's snow boot. Whatever, cuz. I'd like to improve the production quality of my videos, so I'm saving for some lights and a better camera. I also need a small tripod and some tools. If you'd like to support the channel, you can send me a few bucks via my Venmo account with the link in the description. I really appreciate anything. And if that's not for you, no worries. Now I'm going to take it to the sink and just wash it with some dish detergent and a Scotch-Brite paper towel. And then I'll come back and dry it off a little bit, and then we'll see how it looks. Turned out pretty good, huh? Yuck. And yum. I guess if a snow boot could be yummy. Well, you get the point. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please hit the like button so it'll be easier to find by others. Consider subscribing. This is Dr. Jeff DIY. I'll see you the next time something needs to get done.